Welcome. In front of me is an LG K62, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. And you can clearly see that the phone right here is locked, and I can unlock it either using the pattern or the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we can begin the bypass. This one is really simple. We only need a Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I already am connected, and you do want to connect as well. And once you do, as you can see, the next button becomes clickable. So what you want to do now is basically disable Wi-Fi and click the next button at the exact same time. So that didn't, no, it did work. So basically when you see the spinning thing where it's processing the next page, that's fine. If you see the option to skip or don't skip connecting to Wi-Fi, then that means that you did it too slow. It needs to be basically at the same time. So anyway, from here we're gonna continue with the setup. We can set up a protection right here, so we will. I'm gonna set up a pin instead this time around, because the previous way of unlocking this device is a pattern. So I want to change that up just so you can clearly see. So let's just select 1, 2, 3, 4. I do recommend you to set up the same one. It's going to make it a little bit easier. And once more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm it. And we have now a pin. Now this will bring us back to the Wi-Fi connection. That's fine. Let's turn on Wi-Fi. And then let's this time around just normally progress through the setup. And as you can see, instead of a pattern, it tells me to confirm the PIN. Google or Android itself is such an amazing system that it can only keep in memory only one way of unlocking the device. So because we have set up a PIN, it overwrites the pattern. So from here, we're gonna set up or insert our 1, 2, 3, 4 PIN, confirm it, and we can skip signing into Google. And once you finish up the setup, it is still recommended that you perform a factory reset of the device just to remove everything from the account or from the phone. So that will remove also the old accounts. Now, if for some reason it doesn't want to load, we can go back and retry it again. Now it looks like it just stuck, so I'm gonna reboot the device. Okay, now it's asking me for the pin that we have set up. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 to unlock it, and let's try to progress through the setup this time around. Okay, and as you can see, we're now on the home screen. So like I said before, it is still recommended to perform a factory reset of the device. So navigate to the settings, scroll down to System, and from here we're looking for Restart and Reset, and then Factory Data Reset, and choose Reset Phone. I believe, yep, it asks us for the PIN, so confirm it, and then delete all. Once you click on that, it will begin the process. Now this will perform the factory reset of the device, so it will take a little bit of time, and once it's finished we will be taken back to the setup screen, at which point the device will be fully unlocked, so you can set it up however you want. Now I'm not going to go through it because this would just take unnecessary amount of time for something that is fairly straightforward, because once you click on it, all you need to do is just go to the setup of the device and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.